In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF file to Elementor, a process that should take no more than 5 minutes. If you're looking to enhance your WordPress site with downloadable content, this guide will show you just how easy it is to make a PDF available to your visitors. Let's start by logging into your WordPress account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the WordPress dashboard. This is your main control panel where all the site's settings and content management happens. It's the place to go for editing or updating your website. Now, navigate over to the Media Library. This is your repository for all the files you use on your website, be it images, audio, or documents like PDFs. To add your PDF file, click on the Add New button and simply drag and drop your PDF file into the window. Or you can select the file from your computer. This will upload the PDF to your WordPress site. After the upload is complete, click on the newly uploaded PDF file. A screen will appear displaying detailed information about this file, including its name, type, size, and a preview if available. Here, you'll find the URL of the PDF file. This is the unique web address where your file will be hosted. Click the Copy Link button to save this URL to your clipboard, as you'll need this link when setting up the download button in Elementor. Next, it's time to choose which page you want to place the PDF download link. Go back to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Pages. Select the particular page you'd like to edit. Once the page loads in the editor, click on Edit with Elementor. This will open the Elementor editor, a drag-and-drop interface that makes designing web pages intuitive. Once you're in Elementor, look for the button widget in the side panel. Click and drag this button widget onto your page where you'd like the link to appear. With the button selected, a menu of settings will appear on the left. Find the link field and paste the PDF URL that you copied earlier. Lastly, don't forget to customize your button. You can change the text to say something like Download PDF to make it clear to your visitors what their action will accomplish. Consider adjusting the button's color and style to fit your site's aesthetic. Now that your button is set up, save the changes by clicking Save or Publish in Elementor. This action updates your page and makes the PDF download available to your visitors. Now, whenever someone clicks the button, the PDF file will be downloaded to their device. And just like that, in a few straightforward steps, you've added a PDF file to your Elementor page. This addition can enhance your site's value by providing accessible, downloadable resources to your audience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more tips and tutorials, stay tuned.